Hi, babies. They are so healthy. There's 6 of them. They are 1 day old. Hi, little cuties. She is a first-time mama. She's only not quite 1 year old. Lailai, hey, baby. Hi, baby. And her buttons are really, like, she did a great job. I'm impressed. We've got 1 day is not enough to quite tell color, but this one's got this great stripe down its face. I'm very excited to see how it develops. Hi, Lailai. 2 days old. Lailai's babies. Hello, Lailai. It's chilly and rainy. I'm going to cover them right back up. Alright, 4 days old. Let's take a look today. We've got this brownish pink belly with a nice blaze on its face. So cute. We've got our second little baby, kind of a chocolatey color, also pink belly. Third baby has this tiny white blaze on its head. Pink belly. Lailai keeps them really well fed. Their tummies are very big and round. Hey, bud. Woo. Fourth baby. Similar chocolatey color, pink tummy. And fifth baby. This one does not have pink ears, and I'm not sure about the tummy. Ooh, this might be a self chocolate. We'll see in a little bit. A couple more days. 5 days. Six days. 7 days, 1 week old. 8 days. 9 days. 10 days. 11 days. Today they are 2 weeks old. When I got here, all 6 of them were out of their nest box. I played with them and then put them back in for sleeping in so they don't get too cold overnight. A couple of them are starting to open their eyes, but they're not quite all the way open yet. Really nice colors in this litter too. "17 days. Sadly, we're down to 2 chocolates and 3 chinchilla colored. We lost 1 baby, sadly. 3 weeks old. Everybody is coming out of the box and hopping back in whenever they please. Oh, hi, Lailai. Hey, sweet girl. It's their beautiful mama. Oh, hello, little chocolate baby. So cute. The chinchilla colored ones, 1 has really blue eyes and 2 have a blue-gray. And then both of the chocolate colored rabbits have kind of hazel eyes. So I'm curious to see how they grow out. It's a good mama. This is so cute. Lailai is in here with her kits, and you can see the divider wall. This was the cage that was these 2 were Lailai and Dragonette, but I moved Dragonette over to the 3rd cage so Lailai could have her babies, and I keep finding them all like laying against that same wall. Hi, Dragonette. She just came over because she heard me talking. It's so cute. I wish I could catch her laying like that. So I think that Lailai and Dragonette are just besties, or bonded, or whatever you want to call it. Alright, Lailai and her troop of 5 are in the bun run at the moment, having a little chill session in the grass. They've gotten so big. I think they're 6 weeks now, maybe 7. Oh goodness, I've lost track without checking my calendar. But the color of the chinchilla, or agoutis, I'm not sure what exactly it is. Like, are they pearl or are they lynx? I think that they're pearl, but I need to get that verified by the like online group of people who know more than me. It looks like they're the same color as Lailai, but I'm not sure. And then there's 2 chocolates. This little cutie. Hi, you're so cute. Their wool is on the 2 chocolate colors. It's like this iridescent brown guard hairs, which are so stunning, and photos and videos just aren't like working to do it justice. There's Wabs back there. Hey, buddy. And here's the other chocolate. Can we see you? Oh, and this is Auntie Dragonette, who came in the bun run with them. Hey, can you move? Go on, scoot, scoot. Thank you. What in the world? You look all disheveled. Aww. Hey, bun. You can kind of see on the chocolate colored one how her wool is just ridiculous. The color is like this beautiful sheen. It's almost translucent the way it catches the light at the ends. All right, you beauties. Gotta put them back in their hutch.